Are you in your 50s and feeling like you're running out of time to build the kind of life and income you really want? Are you tired of working so hard and still not feeling like you're catching up, with retirement getting closer every day? I've been there too, my friend. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make money in your 50s without sacrificing your energy, your values, or your sanity. Before we dive in, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly videos on building income and freedom in midlife. And if you're ready to take action today, grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint linked below. It's the step-by-step guide I'm using right now. If we haven't met, I'm Lori. I'm a married empty nester mom of 4. I was a special education teacher for years, but about 10 years ago, chronic illness changed everything for me. I wasn't able to work full-time anymore. I didn't have the same energy. I barely had anything left to give most days. But we still had bills, we still had our dreams, and I still wanted to make a real contribution to our family. So I started looking for ways to earn from home. I tried all the things: Etsy shops, blogging, Amazon KDP, freelance writing, and some of it worked a little, but most of it didn't work well enough for the time I was putting in. None of it gave me more peace, income, or time freedom that I needed. I was tired of pouring in so many hours trying to learn everything on my own and still not making enough for the exhaustion to feel worth it. I knew deep down there had to be something better, something more aligned with the life I wanted now. And that's when I found it. Before I go deeper, I want to pause and tell you something. If you're in your 50s and feel behind, unsure of what skills you even have, or like you've missed your chance, you're not behind, you're not too late, and you are not unqualified. The truth is this: the online space is exploding. According to Forbes, the digital marketing industry is projected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2030. People of all ages are building income from home, and they're doing it without tech skills, a huge audience, or a degree. You don't have to go back to school. You don't have to start over. You don't have to hustle nonstop to make money in your 50s with digital products. You just need a simple, proven plan that works around your life now. And that's what I finally found. What made the most sense to me was digital products. Digital products are downloadable items like guides, templates, courses, or tools. Things you can sell online that don't require inventory, shipping, or being on all the time. And I love this next part. You can sell digital products even if you're not the one who created them from scratch. That means no inventory, no shipping, no tech degree, no burnout. You simply set things up once and people can buy while you're living your life. While you're resting on a hard health day, while you're with your kids or your grandkids, while you're reading a book or doing something that you love. That's the power of digital products. The system I'm using is called the Freedom Formula, and it breaks everything into just 5 steps. First, you choose a proven digital product. Then you set up a simple automated sales system. And you build an email list so your business grows while you sleep. Automate everything so you can actually live your life. You don't need to be loud or salesy. You don't need a big following. You just need a plan that works for real people. And if this is starting to sound like the kind of path you're looking for, pause the video and grab the free Freedom Blueprint in the description below. It walks you through the exact steps I'm taking so you can follow at your own pace. And if you're worried about technology, Believe me, I get it. I didn't used to be a techie person at all. But the tool that I'm using to simplify everything is called System.io, and it's free to start. I've linked it below. It runs everything in one place: landing pages, emails, order forms, courses, automation, everything. If I can figure this out between flare-ups, brain fog, and a full life, you absolutely can too, my friend. And here's my favorite part that brings everything together: attraction marketing. You don't have to chase people, you don't have to convince or pressure anyone. You just show up, share what you're learning, and help the person who's a few steps behind you. People buy because they connect with you, not because you're perfect, but because you're real. So if you're watching this and feeling stuck or scared, you're running out of time, or unsure what you even have left to offer, I get it. I felt all of that too. But I want you to hear this. You're not done, you're not behind, and you're not too old to start something new. You just need one simple next step. If what I've shared today resonates with you, and you want to walk this path with me too, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It's simple, it's clear, and it's made for real people, especially if you're in your 40s, 50s, and beyond, and ready for a second chance at freedom. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you in this next video.